Okay, guys. Well, this is not ideal, but I am going to attempt to demonstrate the greenhouse effect for you at home, and we'll see how well this works. If this doesn't work well, even if it does work well, I'll link to another video that shows you how other people have set it up. So I've got two flasks here that I brought home with me from school, and I put the same amount of water in both of them. I have my digital kitchen thermometer, and I've got some Alka-Seltzer tablets, and if you've ever used these, you know that when you put them in water, they bubble. And that bubbling is releasing carbon dioxide gas from those tablets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal the top of these flasks with some Play-Doh. I know, very scientific. And the idea then will be to turn this lamp on. And I'm going to leave these flasks in front of the lamp for about an hour. I'm going to use my digital thermometer. I'm going to push that down into my flask and measure the temperature, and then I'll come back in an hour and check it. So I'm only going to add Alka-Seltzer to one of the flasks to mimic what happens when you add extra carbon dioxide to a system. So here goes with the Alka-Seltzer tablets. All right, so let's try to get these in there. Okay, this is harder than I thought with one hand. And let's try to get these in there. Shh. Be quiet. All right, let's try to get these other one in there before it all bubbles off too much. Okay. Put my lid on here. I'm going to turn my lamp on and try to get the lamp aimed at both of these sort of equally. So you can kind of see one's going pretty strong. I'm going to measure the temperature of that one. Shouldn't be too high yet at this point, right? I just started. So, looks like about 66 degrees. I'm going to seal that back up, so I don't want to lose any of that gas as it's coming out. And same thing in the other one. Looks like it's about the same. 66.2. Okay. Let's get on out of there. All right. So I'll come back and I'll check on this in about an hour and record my temperature again and show you guys what the difference is. All right. Okay, so I'm back, and these have been sitting here for a little over an hour now. I ended up putting them on top of this pan to elevate them a little bit, but I'm going to check the temperature. Remember, they started at 66, and we'll see what they're like now. So let me see if this works. So the temperature inside there right now, looks like it's a little over 76 degrees. Oh, it's still going up. Let's wait for that to stabilize there. $77. All right. I'm going to pull it there. I know it's still going up. I want to check the other one before too long here. So that's at 75. Still going up. Let's check the other one again while we're here. I wish I had 2 thermometers. That would be the way to do this, right? Because now I'm going back and forth and I'm releasing the gases because I had to poke a hole into my very scientifically accurate Play-Doh lid here. So this looks like it's still going up a little bit, but it's slowing down. 78.1. Ay, ay, ay. It did drop though, right? So when I put it in, it went down. Now it's going up again a little bit. So you should see a difference between these 2 flasks. And the difference has to do with the gases that are inside. So I'm going to post a link to another video of somebody who does this with the right equipment. And let me move this and see if that gives us a better reading here of all of this. Okay.